In this video, you will learn about how to upload custom thumbnail of video on YouTube channel. Let's start. First, you need to open any internet browser or open Chrome browser. After that, you must have to log in your Gmail account in that browser. Contain your YouTube channel. Now click on Google Apps button. Then open YouTube. After that, click on your channel icon or channel logo. Then click on your channel. Here you see different custom thumbnail of my videos. Now click on Manage Videos. After that, click on pencil icon for selected videos. Select the video that you want to change thumbnail for that. Move downward. By default, here you see 3 different thumbnails, and by default YouTube choose any one of the thumbnail from these 3 samples. And these thumbnails taken from your recorded video. Click on question mark. Here you see thumbnail requirement. Click on upload thumbnail. Select the thumbnail image file. Then click on open. After that, click on save button to save it. Here you see change is saved. Click on arrow to move backward. Here you see custom thumbnail has been changed. In this video, you have learned about how to make proper size thumbnail for YouTube channel videos.